Hello guys, this is your boy Shreeman here and welcome to another tech video in my channel. And today I'm going to cover two things in this video. First one is an alternative for Animoji. The second one is a fix for a bug that is spreading wildly among iPhone users. So first of all, talking about the Animoji, what will iPhone users, what will the 6, 6s, 7 or even the 8 iPhone users will do, because just iPhone X as Animoji. I have found the best alternative for Animoji in the market, and that's called Supermoji. You can download this in the App Store, and I'll give a link in the description below so that it makes you to get to that application more easier. So this is actually a very good alternative, but not just as good as Animoji, but you can have it, because something is better than nothing though. So it does cool other stuff, it gives you effects, everything. It does Animoji, like it does what Animoji does, but it does what Animoji doesn't do. So you've got a 50-50 there. So it's a great alternative. Make sure you go and buy this, try this out. And the second one is a fix for a bug that is giving the world a big headache. So this message right here will crash your iPhone instantly. If you send this message to any iPhone user, it'll crash. The whole application will crash. My friend sent it to me. I really got scared and panicked, and thanks to Everything App Pro, he had an amazing video covering this. All to do is download the latest beta, that is the iOS 11.3. I'll give this link in the description below so that you can download. This is where you download the iOS 11.3, and make sure you go through Safari to the link, because it doesn't work with any other browsers. Go through Safari and just download, and as you can see, I'm running iOS 11.3. It's amazing, and then you can handle this thing and you can send it to anyone. But in iOS 11.2.5 or iOS 11, any other iOS, you cannot handle this, because whenever you paste it somewhere, it'll be crashed. And I'll give you the link where you can download this font and play around with it, send to your friends, have fun. So thank you so much for watching this video. Give a like in this video, subscribe and share this with your friends. Thank you so much guys. Meet you soon.